Cibes is the world's leading manufacturer of high-end home lifts. Beginning in our factory, every lift is customized to each of our clients' unique requirements, and every detail is checked to meet strict safety and performance standards. Before a lift is approved, it goes through thorough product inspection. Controls are tested for smooth response, doors are balanced, and safety features are reviewed until everything works exactly as intended. From there, the lift travels to the Philippines and arrives at the warehouse of Cibes Lift Philippines Incorporated, where each unit is inspected again and stored properly to keep all components clean, complete, and protected. When installation day comes, the lift finally becomes part of a home. Our trained team works with care and respect for the space, following precise measurements and assembling the lift step by step. Before handover, the system is tested once more for smooth, quiet, and safe operation. Finally, the lift becomes part of a family's daily life, supporting comfort, independence, and peace of mind. This is how every Cibes lift is handled with care, responsibility. Be one of the families who experience the difference of having a Cibes lift at home. If you are planning to add a lift to your home, choose one built with care from the very beginning. Choose a home lift designed for safety, comfort, and everyday living.